Hey, hello friends, how are you? Nice to meet you there. And today I'm going to give you a short intro about the photography. As you guys all know very well about the photography, right? Everyone clicks selfies, right? And many of us want to take good photos. But with a smartphone, now I'm going to teach similar and small techniques which it will help you to grow your photos and your Instagram or social media accounts, in which it will develop you into a minimum and to best photographer right now. And before coming to this, I'll give you a short topics about what is a photo. All of you know, many of you know what is a photo, right? And in everyday use, you'd like to use daily things like you'd like to use short like our families, functions, and all. And before there will be two types of photography. One is auto mode, in which most of our all smartphones are used the auto mode photography, and another one the manual mode photography. The key points to the things which you must keep in the photography is the exposure. The art of playing with light is the key principle in the photography, nothing more else. And after that, what are the subject you are keeping and what are the theme you are going to take is the key point of your photography. And also, don't worry about the camera and the specifications. If you are a good photographer, the photograph will be very nice. And even if the costliest camera won't give you the best picture without the best photographer. And coming to the next Wednesdays, I am going to take your sessions about the short notes, and I'll give you a complete and detailed note about the auto mode photography and manual mode photography, including the ISO, shutter speed, exposure, and the framing of the photograph, in which I'll cover slow by slow. I will cover the required topics for you, and also the time taking and which time you should take the photograph and what are the timings and the situations you need to take a particular photograph. I wish you all be ready for this next tutorial. Thank you. Hoping you will enjoy my tutorial soon.